Alright guys, so we are here with the star of the show. Okay, we have Wiggins hair on deck. I'm gonna quickly unbox her. Alright guys, so this is her. Almost knocked that down. This is her freshly out the box. I do have their body wave 13x6 lace frontal wig. She is so pretty. Look, y'all. She is 28 inches, y'all. 28 inches. She is so freaking long. The cap size I got is a medium. As you guys can see, there are 3 combs in total and a pair of drawstrings. And the density on this lace is 180%. So this is what the lace is looking like when I put it on my head. As I said before, or if I don't know if I did say it, the lace is tinted a brown shade. So this is what it looks like without me, adding any foundation on it. But this is the hairline in its natural state. And this obviously is the unit in its entirety. As you guys can see, it's pretty long. Look at that pattern, that curl pattern, y'all. Alright guys, so first we're gonna go ahead and slay those roots. I'm gonna go in with my Kira wax stick and use my hot comb just to melt it. If you guys are seeing the dots all over the lace, it's because I did go in and add foundation to the lace as well. Next, I'm going in with my Aussie heating protecting spray as well. I always use heating spray and a wax stick together because it just makes the perfect combination. However, Aussie, the nozzle on that just comes out really heavy, so it's something to get used to, but it smells really good and it still gets the job done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a pair of scissors and cut off the lace. Try your best to create jagged edges. It'll make your lace lay down flawlessly. So now I'm just going in with my bed head spray to secure it down. You want to spray it. And if you're new to this, please make sure you're starting in sections. Don't do what I do because I know how to do it. But just to save you time and frustration, just start in small sections and work your way around each side of your head. But once this is tacky, you want to go ahead and stick it down and use your dryer on a cool heating setting. And yeah. Okay, so off camera, I did put my silk scarf on and put some hot heat on it. And this is what she's looking like. And I'm just going to go ahead and straighten up my middle part and go ahead and prep for some baby hairs. Y'all know I haven't did baby hairs in the last 2 videos, I believe, but I'm gonna go ahead and take those same scissors and cut at an angle, and then I'm just gonna take my got2b glue high insta hold hairspray, and then we're gonna go ahead and swoop our baby hairs. now that we're done with the baby hairs, we want to go ahead and put that silk scarf back on. Lay it down, sis. Let it stay on for about 5 to 10 minutes and use hot heat. Not the whole time, but you know, rotating. But look how it's nice and laid, y'all. Y'all, this hair looks so freaking good, okay? But now I'm just gonna go ahead and put some concealer on the part just to make the part pop a little bit. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and detangle the hair for the first time. Sometimes I know I don't start right, but please start from the bottom and work your way up. It makes it easier to detangle. After we detangled it, I'm gonna take some more of my heat protectant spray and go ahead and prep it, because I am gonna show you guys how to put the body waves back in. Like I said, you can do a smaller curl, or you can do a bigger one. It depends on your bear size. This hot comb, I said hot comb, curl and wind set, I'll have in the description section just in case you guys want to purchase it. It is interchangeable. But the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and wrap it. I wrap it underneath of the curling iron so it can lay flat against my face. So that's what I'm doing. I hold it for about a good 30 seconds if my curling wand is not all the way heated up. I spray it, and if I don't like it, you know, I'll just rewrap it. Like, I didn't like how the curl was looking, so we about to do it again, and I'm gonna show you guys, because when I comb it out, it doesn't look right. It doesn't look like the rest. You see that? No, it was, what was that? So we're gonna pull that up again, and we're gonna rewrap it. Like I said, I'm wrapping underneath of the curling wand, and we're gonna hold it there. Now once we release it, we're gonna add some more of that hairspray, and then we're gonna take a rat two-tailed comb, and we're gonna comb it out, and it's gonna look beautiful like that. So you just want to make sure that you're using a small tooth comb to do it, because if you use a big one, it's not, I don't know, I never tried it with a big one, so don't get me lying. But anyway, this is just the way I know how to do it. So I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I'm gonna come back for my overall review. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm super duper impressed, y'all. This hair is so freaking gorgeous. I love the body wave pattern on this unit. I decided to keep the waves in. Sorry y'all, my sleeves are a little short. This is short, but I decided to keep the body wave texture of the hair in the hair, if that makes sense. So I just showed you guys a clip of how you would get the body wave pattern to stay in the hair. If you guys are going outside in humidity, I would recommend you also using the hairspray. I OD when I'm going outside, because I know the heat and just hot, it would just cause your curls to drop. So do be mindful of that. As you go on throughout your day, your body wave curls will drop a little lower. As you guys can see, mine have dropped a lot, and that's because I brushed it, because I do not like the tightness look. It looks too formal. I like something loose, wavy, and big. This hair is so freaking pretty. It's so freaking pretty. So I don't have any cons whatsoever with this hair. As far as shedding, y'all, I thought this hair was gonna be shedding like a mug. I don't know why, because you know, sometimes with longer lengths your units does shed. That's just probably me in my opinion, but I've always felt like longer hair is gonna tangle quicker and shed more. But with this, it was actually the opposite. I did not receive a lot of shedding at all, y'all. I only seen shedding when I cut into the lace, and I'm like, that's not normal. It's not normal. So I was super shocked and amazed at that. And then the tangling as well, being that this hair is super duper long, like it sits in my lap, that's how long it is. I wasn't even expecting it. I was expecting it to tangle up on me over and over again, but you guys can see my hands are just gliding through it. It's not forced, it's not snagging or tagging, it's just gliding through like butter. So that is also a good thing as well. The only time I did have tangling though was in the beginning, when I was just taking it out the packaging. As you guys could see, I was getting the snag tag straight out the package, but after I detangling it, that ceased. So like I said, I love this unit. I love the baby hair guidance, y'all. They already gave us a part. They came through in the collection, gave us a part. For those of us that struggle, I know I I messed mine up a little bit putting on a unit, but it is what it is. Overall, this unit is so freaking gorgeous, y'all. I'm just completely obsessed. Like I said, I don't have no cons when it comes down to this unit. It's freaking amazing. So all the details to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, your girls check it out. I see you later. Bye guys.